Greetings, productive programmer. So excited to have you joining me, but who is this course for? Well, this course is really for anybody that wants to learn Phoenix LiveView. So there's no experience necessary with Phoenix LiveView or Pheonix or Elixir, which is the programming language that Pheonix runs on. You don't need to have any experience with any of that to join me in this course. However, I do make the assumption that the majority joining this course will have had at least some programming experience, even if it's just a little bit of dabbling. Most likely, I've made the assumption that you maybe have a little bit of JavaScript experience or a little bit of Python experience. And therefore, during the installation steps where I walk you through how to install the application and so forth, there will be, I'm not going to hold your hand too much. I'll walk you through the steps, but I'll make the assumption that you, as somebody that has dabbled a little bit with coding, you'll kind of be able to find your way through certain steps of this course within a reasonable degree, but you don't need to have any experience. And I do explain all of the code as we go through this course, and I break it all down for you, so you don't need to have any experience. And somebody with no coding experience could technically get along in this course. However, because Pheonix runs on Elixir, which is a functional programming language, this tends not to be the programming language of choice for a first-time programmer. However, it's a highly productive programming language, and I really believe that, in the future years, this is where I think the industry is going to go. So, it's an excellent opportunity to get in as a first language, but most developers tend to have a little bit of experience when they start to seek out Phoenix LiveView, and so I assume that maybe you are in the same realm and you want to expand and grow your programming skills. So whether you have no experience at all or you have some programming experience, I think you're really going to enjoy this course, and I'm excited to share it with you. So let's get started. In the next step, we're going to go ahead and go through the installation process.